What's up, guys? It's Cam, like Cam with the camera, and today I'm coming at you with a little bit different type of video. A lot of people have been giving me, again, really good positive feedback on some of the videos I've done lately. And every video I'm doing, I'm just trying to somehow add value to your life. So today is kind of it's a different type of video. So a lot of times, people make videos just for entertainment purposes. That's what I've been doing, but today I'm gonna try to actually add a message to it. I'm just gonna go ahead and get started with the video, and from there, just let me know what you think. So this is gonna be my first time really attempting something like this, like especially with voiceovers and putting a bunch of different footage together. So yeah, please let me know what you think, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I get posts, because Instagram and YouTube have not been very good with letting their subscribers know when new videos come out. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started on this video. So this video is about choosing your path. The world flows in paths. It's in everything from leaves, trees, to the water streams. It's even in the plants and in the stars. Everything is a path, everything is a choice. The question is, what will you do with your path? Choose to conquer it? Choose to fly? Choose to invest in family? You spend the time nourishing your body. You choose the path of drugs, women, phone addiction, or are you chasing your career? Or just time with friends? Right now is the time to choose your path, but it's not too late.